What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kisha if you guys are new here. As you can see from the title, we are doing another day vlog. So it's Saturday today and it's my day off. Normally I've been working every Saturday and Sunday, and I finally have Saturday and Sunday off this weekend. Also, don't mind the hair. Super greasy at the top, but we're going to the gym today. It's leg day. It don't make sense to wash the hair before the gym, so I'm gonna tie it up one more time, and then when I get back I'm gonna shower because I am going somewhere with my mom today. But before then, I don't really have anything else I need to do besides going to the gym. So hopefully today is gonna be a nice and heavy leg day. I do want to go up in my weights today, so we'll definitely see how that goes. I do want to listen to my body, and if it feels like too much, then I'm definitely not going to. And I still want to be productive today, even though it is my day off. I do want to get these dishes done. As you can see, there is quite a bit here. I might sweep in here a little bit, and then I do want to clean my bathroom later, but we'll see how much time we have. So let's get started. Crazy right now. So I'm gonna get ready for the gym now. I haven't washed my hair, so today I'm gonna wash my hair. I sweat a lot when I'm at the gym. Like I'm a very strong sweater, so I'm going to tie my hair all back. I think I'll braid my hair today. So I'm not gonna gel it yet. I'm just gonna tie it up because I have my hoodie on. Face wash, I'm sure you guys already know, CeraVe and the Duvel. I'll brush up my lashes in a second. I don't have like the spoolie up here. Okay, I'm gonna use this new gel. It's the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel with olive oil, and this is for all hair types. It has a max hold of 10, so it looks like that. I got it from Walmart. Just gonna grab a bunch, and then I like to water it down a little bit with some water, and then I'm going to go under push everything down, basically. And then I'll wash my hands. I'll go with the comb to smoothen everything. And then I will retie it. And then I'm going to bring down my baby hairs. So I'm gonna grab some gel again. Okay, so that is the gel. I actually really like it. I'm gonna go in with some hairspray. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer under my eye. Usually if I go around like noon, the gym's pretty like empty and quiet. So I really like that because, you know, I can film and like it's more anxiety free for me. I hate having to worry about people in the background. So I try to go when like there's less people, but sometimes that doesn't work with my schedule. Okay, I'm gonna change into my gym outfit and then I think I'm gonna braid my hair and then add my scrunchie. Got my earrings in. I like to tuck the baggy shirt in my bra. I do have a lot of layers that are starting to come out now, but what can you do? I want my hair in a braid, so that's just what we're gonna have to deal with. But yeah, this is my baggy gym fit. I've got my Gymshark bra on, and then my Elf Elite shorts, and then this baggy extra large top I got from Guess. And then I like to wear like either ankle high socks or, you know, my knee high socks. So I'm going to take my pre-workout. I'm just gonna take the rest of it. Honestly, I don't know how I just got one scoop left. I'm gonna grab a cup here. I'm just gonna pour the rest of that in there. Put some water in there. Honestly, I feel like I need to find my groove with both Instagram and YouTube. I feel like it's either one or the other. I haven't posted on Instagram in like forever because I've been focusing on filming for you guys, but I'm pretty active on my stories. If you guys haven't followed my Instagram, make sure you're following my Instagram. I show all my workouts the day of, most of the time. I do really like to show my leg day for sure because it's easier to film. The lighting is like more by the window, so it's like nice and bright. The footage always turns out really good. But when I do arms and like upper body and stuff, I'm still trying to figure out, you know, the angles and stuff for the gym lighting. Yeah, so I've been filming, you know, on my phone, but it just hasn't been like the best quality. But I'm gonna drink this. Pour this water. I forgot I wanted to clean my car before I went to the gym again today because my car is so dirty. It's raining right now, so I mean, even if I did clean it, kind of would be a waste. So I'm gonna just start my workout right away. So meet you while we work out. Wow, wow, wow. So the gym was busy today, surprisingly. And I don't mean like busy as in like full, like packed. It was like everyone's leg day today. It took a while to get on that squat machine, but sometimes it'd be like that. Everyone does legs on the same day sometimes. So honestly, my workout took way longer than usual. There's no need for like a 2.5 hour workout. I like to stick to my certain workout. So just waiting for certain things to open up. Took a little bit longer, but yeah, I'm done my workout now. I'm exhausted. My mom is probably just getting off work around 4 and then she's gonna come head over to my house. So I don't think I have time to clean my bathroom today. I might actually film tomorrow for you guys as well. So I might do like a separate little cleaning vlog. So I'm gonna head home and then maybe have like a wrap or something. I'm starving, so I want something to eat. But yeah, that's what's happening now. So it's only 3:30, but it literally looks like it's 7 o'clock now. So, you guys see the weather? Now that I'm back, I'm going to have a protein shake and then I'm gonna make myself a wrap. Also, these dishes are ready to go back to where they're supposed to go, or else I'll never do it. So I might as well get it done now. I'm just gonna wash my hands. I'm honestly gonna eat in like a couple hours, but I'm hungry. So I'll quickly tell you guys the ingredients. For my veggies, I'm gonna put spinach, I'm gonna cut some cucumber, and then I already have this tomato that I'm gonna cut. You want cheese. I'm going to cook some turkey bacon and make that nice and crispy. And then I'm also gonna put some chicken breast in there. And of course your tortilla. And then for sauce, I'm just using chipotle ranch. I only have 4 left, so normally I would put 3. But because I'm going out to eat with my mom, I'm gonna put 2, and then I also have 2 left for tomorrow, so. And I love my bacon extra crispy, so I'm gonna leave it there. Yes, I use my fingers because I'm a boss, but yeah, that's like usually how I like it. And then once it dries, it gets more crunchier, so. So that's what it looks like. Then I just stick this on there and I just heat it up and then it will stay in a wrap. Okay, I thought my camera died, so I had to delete some footage, and when I was doing that, I totally forgot this side. So this side is a little burnt. Yes, I know, but it is all gravy. I feel like this side is cuter. And this right here, hitting the spot. I'm gonna go upstairs and take a shower after I eat, and then I'm gonna get ready, and I'll talk to you guys later because my camera's about to die and I need to charge it for later. So I'm just wearing a Prada bag, and then these black jeans are from Boohoo, which I'll link down below, and then this white flowy top. I've worn something very similar to this except a different top and a different bag, but yeah, this is the vibe for tonight. And then I'm just gonna put on some white Converse. You know the drill. And then I'm gonna probably put that leather jacket on that I wore to brunch because I think it's kind of cold and I need something to cover up. So my mom's just driving right now. Hi guys. Oh, it's pouring out. The rain is so crazy today. We actually don't know what restaurant we're gonna go to. We're probably just gonna see one on the way and then stop there and grab something to eat. And I'm gonna grab like maybe a sangria or something because I'm feeling like one. Look how close she drives. That's where we're gonna go eat, Costa's Greek restaurant. So this is my mama. We're gonna go watch the comedy show. She wanted to say hi to you guys on camera. We look funny because of the rain. It's kind of like reflecting on the light here. Anyways, we just got here. It's Costa's. I think I just showed you guys kind of like a clip of it outside. So we're gonna go grab some food there. It looks super busy, so we're not sure if we're gonna get a spot in there. I'll show you guys the food and everything, so.
See you later.
Little outfit.
eating. We actually, we're in a rush, so we have to go to that place. Theater. We have to go to the theater. So we just got our stuff packed up. Now we're rushing to the spot that we're supposed to go to. You know, my mom's on driving duty tonight.
Yes, I paid for the dinner.
She paid. You're so
my
proud.
daughter out.
Look at you guys. It's raining so much. So we just finished the play. They didn't allow any filming, so I couldn't get anything filmed for you guys. But anyways, I don't know if I already mentioned to you guys, but I took a night shift, which is only 4 hours for tonight from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. Right now it is 10:20, so we're quickly rushing to my house. I already have my work clothes in my car, so I'm just gonna rush to work from home. And then I should be there for 11 p.m. And then it's just a 4-hour shift, really quick shift. So I just got to work right now. I'm just putting on a sweater, putting on my scrubs right now. I'm literally changing in my car. I do not give any F's. Okay, ain't nobody got time. Put my shoe on. Did I not grab my vest? I thought I had my vest too. I guess I didn't find that. I'm ready to go inside. Oh, someone's breaking into something. So I went to sleep and I just woke up, and I woke up around 11. So it's 11:15 right now because I just had like 15 minutes to brush my teeth and all that stuff. I know I said I was gonna do like a cleaning vlog, but I wanna do like a separate video for that because I think I'll just dedicate it to cleaning. I'm gonna do breakfast this morning, and I'm gonna do the rest of my turkey bacon, which I only have 2 slices left. I think I'll just make 3 eggs and then blueberries and a banana. Also, I might have some toast. I actually don't always eat breakfast in the morning, but today it's my like full day off and I woke up really late. I'm like hungry, so. Also, before I start, I'm actually gonna put these away because I think I said that yesterday, but I never put them away. So let's go do that. Cheers. Okay guys, I burnt my eggs a little bit, but this is my breakfast and I'm gonna enjoy it. I have my coffee here, which I'm almost done. And I think I'm gonna edit on my computer. I don't have anything else to do besides making my cleaning video, which I'm gonna do today. But right now I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. So I'm going to end the video here and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you do wanna see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.